Hello you all again. You may be wondering why I have this selection of trading cards on my desk here. I have a PSA 10 Japanese vending Dodrio, a PSA 9 Japanese vending Dodrio, and then 3 deck lists from the vending machine series. And the reason I have these cards here today is because I just got this in the mail from the Steve Aoki sale at tcgplayer.com, and we're going to open it up and see what's inside very quickly because my car is running outside. So this is what comes in the UPS mailer, a TCG direct mailer. And here's the card that's inside. You can see the Steve Aoki Certificate of Authenticity. We're going to move that to the back. And I'm glad this card sealed team bag is actually sealed, because the most expensive card I bought from Steve Aoki was a Dark Blastoise, and the team bag wasn't sealed at all when I got it, so that was kind of weird. But anyway, this is a 1998 Japanese vending Nidoran from Series 1. It's a Gem Mint 10. I'm adding that to my Japanese vending machine series collection. And that's it. Stay tuned if you want to see me try to collect all the vending machine cards.